Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change the song on the CapCut template. So here I've already on the templates tab on CapCut, and I'm going to just select templates that I want to use. For example, like this. As you know that CapCut templates has already come with a song provided by the creator, but if you want to change it, here's how you can do that. First, you just need to use the template, use your video, click on a preview, and after that just export the templates first, the result of the template. Okay, when it's done exporting, just click on done, and then you can just go back to the CapCut homepage and start a new project with the video that you just saved from the template. Click on add, and now to change the song, just mute the current song used on the template and then go to audio, and you can just add your own song to the video. For example, I want to add a song from my library like this. The song will be added. Now you can just export it with a new song. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, thanks, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.